How to change aspect ratio and project settings in CapCut PC. So if you want to change aspect ratio and project settings in your CapCut PC, then first you need to open up your CapCut, go with create project. Once you're on the create project, now go with import, which is here on the upper left. And for example, I'll be choosing something. Now, once you have that, what you need to do is to change the aspect ratio and project settings. What you need to do is just go with the ratio option, which is right here. Once you click on ratio, you will be able to change the aspect ratio of that video. So if you want to go with 9:16, you can simply choose that and it will be changed to that ratio. And this way you can simply choose any ratio that you're comfortable with. And if you want to go with the project settings, then here you will have modify option on the right side. Click on modify. Once you click on modify, you will get the project settings. You can give a name to your videos. For example, I'll be choosing demo. And then you can view the saved destination and import it, like copy media to the project or stay in original location. And from here also you can change the aspect ratio. You can go with the drop down and choose the aspect ratio and go with resolution, frame rate, color space and everything. And after that you can go with save, and you can also have the performance option. Under performance you can turn on your proxy to edit smoothly and faster without losing your video quality. And after that go with save, and that's it. That's how you can change your aspect ratio and project settings in your CapCut PC. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.